Namaskar. I am happy to express my thoughts, my tradition of Dhrupad singing with all of you. And I am thankful for Ragmala for doing this recording, Ragmala Toronto. Dhrupad, as we know that this has been the oldest form of North Indian classical music, in which we sing and we play the instruments also, like veena, sitar, sarod, flute, and other instruments. Drupad evolved from the holy sound of Om, and later this Vedic chanting of this turned into notes and singing ragas. So Dhrupad has two sections. First is known, which is like heart of rag music, called the alap, and second we sing the composition which is known as a bandish. And in bandish we get to hear the poetry and the rhythmic cycle along with this instrument called the pakhavaj. The main purpose of our raga sangeet has been always the aradhana, the bhakti, and I always feel that our rag sangeet is based on two things. One is bhakti, that is the dedication, surrenderness, devotion, and second is gyan, that is wisdom and knowledge. So these two things are combined in the raga music. And especially I am the follower of Dhrupad tradition, and Dhrupad also had a vast tradition. Like nowadays you hear different gharanas of khayal, for example Gwalior, Jaipur, Agra, Atroli, Patiala, Kirana, so many different gharanas. They have different techniques, different ragas, different speciality in ragas, and different way of singing, presenting compositions, presenting badat, present using the tanas and all that. So Dhrupad also has different schools, different gharanas, which they emphasize their own individuality, their own speciality. I am not here to talk Dhrupad in general or in vast roop, because I'm not able to say everything about Dhrupad. But what I can explain little bit, that what I have learned from my gurus. I have two gurus, Ustad Zia Fariduddin Ragar, who is a singer, and Ustad Zia Mohiuddin Ragar, who was a Rudraveena player. So our Dhrupad system follows very much techniques and style of Rudraveena, that is called the bean. So, and our school called the Dagar tradition. But as I said, that I'll only speak the music which I have learned from my gurus. So in the alap we use this syllables derives from the Sanskrit mantra Om Ananta Hari Narayan. So from that we get Om, which is also known as Noon, and then A Na Na, Ri, Na, Teta, Rana, etc. So with the help of these syllables, we try to see a note in different manner, because for us, if we sing for example, sa, it creates one type of akar, one type of sound. And since in Dhrupad we don't have poetry, or we don't begin our singing with poetry and rhythmic tals, so we have to create a dialogue, a conversation with the note, with the sound itself. So same sa, if I sing sa, and if I use this in the tradition of Dhrupad and tradition of singing alap, the sa will sound something like this. A, ra, na, na, ri, na, nu, na, ta, ra, ra, na, ri, nu, a, na, na, te, ta, ra, na, ri, na, nu. So it's a medium for us to talk to a note and see a note as a personality, and see a note in deep sense that may create different timbres, different microtonal quality, different nature of same note. Because finally this is Aradhana of Anant. This is like a practice of infinity which never ends. So your mind, your heart, your consciousness connect with that note, and then it's the endless thing unless your imagination and your voice and your beingness is working. So it goes in that sense. So this helps us to see a note in different prospects, different perception. And then there are ragas. So for example, like I started my recital in rag Ahir Bhairav. So I'll follow this alap and jod, and I'll explain you little bit later whatever comes to my mind. Ta, Te tarana ri Now, here we start the Madhya Alap, which is known as Jod. Jod Jhala is a terminology of veena, sitar, and instrument. But this is all comes under the Alap. Alap, Madhya Alap, and Drut Alap. It's all part of Alap. And here what happens, we see a note in little different dimension, because and different kriyas, the different techniques are used, different ornamentations are used than the alap. And here you also get a regular pulse. There is a kind of a beat into it. Re na ra 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 na na a na na te ta ra na ra na ra na na re ra ra na re na ra na na re no. For example, now I am trying to show you the different shades of Rishabh, Komal Rishabh. Re no. Ra na ri ra ra na ri na ra na na. So note goes more like this. Na ra na ra na na ri na na ra na na. Re na ra na re no. Ra na na re no ra na na a na na te ta ra ra na ri na ra na ri no ra na ri na na. So the kharaj I am singing the lower note, sa sa re ga. So what happens in Guru Shishya tradition? My Guru used to wake me up at 4:30 in the morning, and I would just sing one note for 1 hour, and then going to the lower note, whichever possible, comfortably. So I was like going to sa ni dha pa. So I was standing on pa for 1 hour, and then slowly I could reach to ma ga after a few years. And then the funny thing was that in the morning I could get my ga, but evening concerts or evening if I am performing, ga was gone. So it took almost 10 years to reach any time of the day to this sa re ga ma pa da ni ni da padama pada ni 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 sa 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 ra na ra na ra na ra na na ana na te ta ra na ra na ri na ra na na. Some people have different natural low voices. Some people have natural high voices. I was somewhere in the middle, and voice is such an individual property. So sometimes people say, "Are you have heavy voice, you have lower voice, you must sing Dhrupad." It is not truth. I mean, you don't have to have heavy or lower voice for singing Dhrupad. Not necessarily. You can be even higher pitch and sing Dhrupad. Ri na ra na 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 te ta ra na na ri nu ra na na ri ra ra na ra na 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 ra na na ti ta ra na ri no ra na ri ra ra na ra na 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 ra na ri nu ra na na ana na te ta ra na no ra na na no ra na na ana na te ta ra na ri ra ra na ri na ra na 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 te ta ra na ri no ra na 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 ri no ra na na te ta ra na ri no ra na ra na ra na na no ra na no ra na no 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 ra na na no ra na na no ra na ra na ri na ra na 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 te ta ra na ri na ra na 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 ra na 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 te ta ra na ri nu ra na na ri na noom. These syllables can be used as a long phrase, which is called the dirgha, and te ta ra na, this can be used as a rasva, the short using. But ri na noom can be also used sometimes as a short note, short syllables. Ana na te ta ra na ra na na ri ra ra na na ra na na ana na te ta ra na ri no ra na na no ra na na no Re no. No ra na no ra na no ra na ri na ra na na a na na te ta ra na ri no. The noom should sound like a conch, shankh or flute. Re no. No. Ri ra ra na ri ra na na ri ra na ra na 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 a na na te ta ra ra na ri ra ra na ri na ra na ri no. Ra na ri na ra na na ri na 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 a na na te ta ra na na ri Re no ra na na re no ra na na re no no ra na na re ra na na ra la la a na na te ta ra na ri no ra na na a na na te ta ra na na ra no no ra na ra na 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 ra na na ra na na ta na tu ra na 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 ra ri na na na. Now we are in the third step of alap, which is in instrumentalist they call it jhala. What happened in olden days? There was the basic string instrument, the oldest string instrument in Indian music. It's called the veena, the Rudra veena. And there were Dhrupad singers and Rudra veena players. And then all the other instruments came much later. So Rudra veena player and singer, even it is said that Dhrupad singer should learn veena. In some, as I said, in some gharanas. Some have different beliefs in Dhrupad, because as I said in the beginning, I am not here to say Dhrupad in general. I will only speak whatever I learned from my guru, because every music has a vast things to say. You cannot say this is like this, this is like this. People have their own beliefs, their ways of looking at music, singing music, practicing music, and they are all wonderful. So this our style imbibed so much from the veena. We take a lot of inspiration, lot of techniques we take from veena. And also in old Shastras, they say the Gatra Veena. Gatra is Sharir in Sanskrit, Sharir is Veena. So that your whole body should sing, your whole body should become Veena. That was the one of the old beliefs. Sometimes it may sound like Vedic chanting, the mantra chanting. Now te da ra na ri ra ra na te da ra na ri ra ra na ri no ra la la ra la la ra la la ri ra na ra la la ra la la ra la la ri ra ra la la ra la la no ra la la ri ra ra la la ra la la ri ra no 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 ri ra no ri ra no ra la la ra la la ara na te ra 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 la ri ra ra la la ara na te ra 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 la ri ra ra na te ra 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 la ri ra ra na ri na ra na 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 te ta ra 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 la ri ra ra la ri ra ra la ri no ra la 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 no ra la ri ra ra la 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 no 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 ra na ri na ra la la ana na te ra ra la ri ra na ra la la ri ra na ra na ra na ra na ra na ra na da la 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 na 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 te ra ra la ri ra ra la la ana na te ra ra la ri ra ra na na te ra 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 la ri ra ra la ri na 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 ana na te ra ra la ri ra ra la ri ra ra la ri no ri no ra la ri ra la 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 ri na ra la 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 ra la la ri ra ra la la ra na 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 te ra 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 la ri ra ra la la ri na na ra la la na 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 te ra 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 la ri ra ra la ri no ra la la ra la la ra la la ra la ri ra ra la la ra la la ra la ri ra 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 la te ra ra la ri ra ra no ra la la ra la la ri na ra la la 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 ra la ri ra ra la la ra la la ri ra ra la ra la la oh na 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 te ra 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 la la ri ra 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 na na te ra 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 la la ri ra ra la ri ra ra la ri na 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 ana na te ra ra la ri ra ra la ri na da na na ri ra ra la ri no ra la ri ra ra la ri ra अब ये द्रुत आलाप है जिसको झाला कहते हैं। इसके अंदर कभी कभी पखावज को संगति के रूप में एक लय पकड़ने के लिए और एक म्यूजिक को एक इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए इसके अंदर इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो ये ऐसा कोई आउट ऑफ ट्रेडिशन ऐसी भी चीज़ नहीं है, ये परंपरा रही है, कभी यूज होता था कभी नहीं होता था। ना रा ला 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 रा ला री रा रा ला री रा रा ला ला रा ला ला री रा रा ला रा ला ला आ ना ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला री ना रा ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला री नो रा ला ला आ ना ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला ला री रा ना रा ला री रा रा ला री रा ना रा ला री रा ना रा ला 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 ना दा ला 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 ना दा ला 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 रा ला ला रा ला ला आ ना ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला री ना रा ला री नो रा ला ला आ ना ना दे रा रा ला री रा रा ला री रा नो रा ला 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 te ra 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 na ri ra ra la 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 te ra 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 na ri ra 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 na 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 te ra 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 na ri ra ra na ri na 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 te ra 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 na na te ra 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 na na ri ra ra la no ra la 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 no ra la 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 ra la 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 ra la ri ra ra la 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 ra la ri ra ra la ri ra no ra la 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 no ra la ri ra ra 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 la ra la ri ra ra la ra la no ra la ri ra ra no ra la ri ra no ra la ri ra ra ana na te ra 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 na ri ra ra na te ra 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 na ri ra ra la la te ra ra na ri ra na na ri ra ra na 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 te ra 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 na ri ra ra na te ra ra na ri ra ra na te ra ra na ri ra ra na ri na ra na 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 te ra ra na ri ra ra na ana na 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 te ra ra na ri ra ra na ri na 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 ra na 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 te ra ra na ri ra ra na ri na ra la la no ra la la ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra na da la 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 ra la 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 ra la la no ra la 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 no ra la 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 no ra la no ra la no ra la no ra la ra la ara na de ra ra na ri ra ra na ara na na de ra ra na ri ra ra na de ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na de ra ra na ri ra ra na ri na 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 ana na de ra ra na ri na ra na na de ra ra na ri ra ra na ri ra ra na ra la 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 ra na ri ra ra na no ra la 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 ra na ri ra ra na ri ra no ra la ri ra ra na So, इस तरह से यह अलाप गाया जाता है। और अलाप अपनी क्षमता, अपनी तालीम, अपने विचार, बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर सम्मिलित होती। सॉरी, आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी। Alap is sung on your own imaginations and your riyaz, your teaching, what have you learned, and your capability of expanding it. But Alap singing is not just singing notes; it is much more beyond that. The note should create a meaningful conversation, and the note should present that rag. It is very important. So rag vachak swar, the notes, the swaraj which belongs to that rag should be presented in many different ways, different aspects. So these are the few values for alap, and it depends on the raga, depends on the tradition, depends on your own mood. Alap can be sung like 10-15 minutes to 2-3 hours, it depends. And the next part will come the bandish, in which you will hear the poetry and a rhythmic cycle. So Dhrupad has a vast poetry. Many poetries are dedicated to, it's in the devotional tradition, the bhakti tradition. So there are prayers of Shiva, prayers of Rama, prayers of Allah, prayers of Krishna, so many, Saraswati. And then there are Drupad composed in praise of king, and Drupads are composed in praise of Guru, the teacher, and also some compositions which talks about the nature around you. So, like we have different seasons, so there are compositions for different seasons, and then there are compositions which describes the theory of Raga Sangeet, theory of Indian classical music. There are compositions which describes the philosophy of India, philosophy of Indian culture. There are compositions which combine the philosophy of music and philosophy of life. So there are various subjects, and this particular composition in this rag is set to 7 beats, rhythmic cycle, and it's a prayer to Lord Shiva. Hey Jagadish. Jagadish actually is also the god of the world. Jag is the world and Ish is the god. So, hey Jagadish Chatura Murar Bhava Bhayahar Dukkha Nivar. So it's about that dedication and surrenderness to God takes off our sorrows and sadness and gives us the strength to live. In usually Indian classical music, for some years it has known as Khayal. The funny thing also, people ask me sometimes that, oh, so you don't sing classical, you only sing Dhrupad. Because people think that classical is only Khayal music. So of course Khayal is as much as classical music as Dhrupad is, but Dhrupad is very much also classical music. So it's not like classical music is Khayal and Dhrupad is something from 7th planet or something. No, it's the same tradition. And Dhrupad and Khayal have many similarities and many different things also. But to my ear, there are 60-70% similarities. So this composition is 7 beats, and normally you see in Khayal singing that there is a tabla accompaniment and there are many times harmonium accompaniment also. But when Dhrupad was evolved, when Dhrupad was created, that time in India, tabla was not there, and harmonium also didn't come. Tabla, I think it came much later. It's probably traveled from Afghanistan or Iran. They used to call it tabla. There is one belief. I don't know. There could be other beliefs also. But the people sometimes talk that pakha, they cut the pakha and they made tabla. This is not true. Our musicians are not that cruel that they will cut their instruments. So it is a false story if they make it like this. Tabla has its own origin and its own instrument. They say that they used to hang it in and then they used to play in part of Afghanistan or upper somewhere. I'm not very sure about it, but and then harmonium came much later. It was like it was adapted at the British period in India. So Dhrupad music, we don't use any of them. Hey Jagadisha Chatura Murara. Hey Jagadisha Chatura Murara Bhava Bhayahara 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1 is sum, of course, and this is how we clap these 7 beats. And the sound which is coming out of Pakhavaj is ta, ka, ta, ga, di, dha, din, ta, te, ta, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, na, dha, din, ta, te, ta, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, na, dha, din, ta. So dha is the first beat. And Pakhavaj, I would like to just show it because on the right hand side it looks like very much tabla. It is tuned in my do. Can you play, Pratap, please, the sa? Can you show them the sa? Sa, sa. And on the left, if you can just turn it a little bit, there is this do. There's this chapati flower do. So if you remove that, it will sound like thap, 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 thap. And with this, it gets this all the resonance, beautiful resonance and depth. And more bold, maybe Pratap will demonstrate some rhythmic patterns of that instrument. He Jagadisha Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Dukha Nivara He सबको आधार सबको आधार नाम तिहार सबको नाम तिहार कीजे पार कीजे पार बेड़ो So this is 2 parts, Thai and Antara. And after that we do Upaj. Upaj is, if I try to translate, it will be like spontaneous improvisation. Means there is no plan, there is no pre-plan that from which bit I will start and what words I will use and what notes I will use. So rhythmic cycle is going 6, 7, 1, 2. Hey Jagadisha जगदीश जगदीश हे जगदीश हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार हे जगदीश. I'll start any bit. हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भयहार हे जगदीश. हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भयहार दुख निवार हे जगदीश हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भय हार दुख निवार हे जगदीश जगदीश हे जगदीश. So we have sort of theory behind it. So where the upas are divided in like swaratmak. Swaratmak is the swar, the note. We emphasize the note. He चतुर हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार Swaratmak. Second is Ragatmak, where the more the phrases of ragas comes in the picture. Murar he jagadish चतुर मुरार हे जगदीश जगदीश चतुर I'm using more ragatmak phrases. And third, it can be shabdatmak, the words. We emphasize the word. He जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भयहार दुख निवार हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भयहार दुख निवार हे जगदीश चतुर मुरार भव भयहार दुख निवार हे जगदीश जगदीश हे जगदीश. And then we have layatmak, where we emphasize the lay or we play with the lay the tempo. Murara Jagadish. This is like Jagadish Chatura Murara He Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Hara Dukha Nivara He Jagadish Chatura He Jagadish. And then we have Layatmak, Talatmak. We play with the Tal. He Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Dukha Nivara He Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Bhava Bhaya Hara He Jagadish Chatura Murara He Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Dukha Nivara He Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Hara He Jagadish. While singing all this, we don't really plan that whether I will be now singing Swaratmak, Ragatmak, Talatmak, Shabdatmak. It just comes naturally. What is in our imagination, what we think about, we just present that. But the most important that the meaning of composition, the bhava, the essence of composition should not be lost. Jagadish Chatura Murara Hey Oh Jagadish, Hey Jagadish. So that should be maintained. Hey Jagadish Chatura Murara Bhava Bhaya Hara Bhava Bhaya Hara Dukha Nivara Dukha Nivara Dukha Nivara He Jagadish Chatura Murara Murara He Jagadish. So sometimes you may combine 2, 3, you may combine all 5 or 6, whatever. So this is, and as much as I said, that as much as you can visualize, you can think, you can go into it, your capacity, you can develop that much. So this is about the composition.